Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today I have my Boxy pop-up. I know, it's a plain brown wrapper. Let's get in here and see what I've got. Boxycharm is a subscription beauty box. You probably know all of this. They have a regular charm box for $25, a premium for $35, and every quarter you can change your Boxy regular box into a Luxe box and it becomes a $50 box. Also, they have sales. They have add-ons and pop-up sales. And honestly, I can never remember by the time I get my stuff which way I ordered it. So I'm just gonna open it up. We're gonna get inside, see what I've got. If there are prices I don't know, I will put them here for you. And I can't wait to see what I chose. Okay, so I took everything out of the box because it was a little too big to handle up here. So I have seen what I chose and it's just a few things, so this will only take us a minute. And you guys who watch the channel know, you'll know in just a second why I'm laughing. I chose not one, but I believe a pack of 5. I did. It is the Daily Concepts Exfoliating Dual Texture Scrubber. And it comes in gentle, mild, or vigorous, and this one is mild. And that is what that looks like. Let me take one out and show you. It was a pack of 5. I will tell you here how much it was. It was ridiculously inexpensive, and we love these. In all fairness, I didn't realize this was this small, but it doesn't matter. It will still get used. Let me show you the actual size of this in case I ever win any of you over and you decide that you also cannot pass up on them. They are in the pop-up, they are in the add-ons, they are in everything that FabFitFun does. I mean, different types of them. This is this one. It is super scrubby. It's about the size, a little bit bigger than your palm. It's kind of terry. It has a place to put your hands so you could use it on your body. It's small enough that if your face could take it, my face could not take that. You could use it on your face. And it says, it's me time. And just so you know, the beauty of their tags, which it says, I don't know what to do about this lighting. It says, it's me time. The beauty of this is, on the back it says, replace me when this fades. So when this writing goes away, it's time to use a new one. I have 5 of these now. I buy them. I just really like the scrubbies and I like to change them out a lot because I like to know or at least feel like they're clean. Next I have, this is the L&W, but it's Lux and Willow. Remember that big bag of beauty sponges that I got? Same brand. The Rosebuds Rose Quartz Eye Treatment Set. I have looked at this. Actually, I looked at one on Sephora and this was a great deal. And it says this multifunctional rose quartz facial treatment set improves microcirculation, increases lymphatic drainage, reduces puffiness, and helps eliminate toxins from the skin. Now you guys know I am all about the gua sha. Actually, I've already made my gua sha video, so these will not be featured. But I have been looking at these, and like I said, they have them on Sephora, but this was just too good a deal not to get. So they are rose quartz. There are 2. One of mine is pinker than the other. But those are so pretty, and you can just work out from your eyes. I want to clean them before I do, but you can just work out, and I'll put them down here. Oh, they are so cool. They feel so cool, and I just really wanted a set of these, and I felt like they would be so cooling, and to be able to do them, and they're going to be easy to hold. I love the idea of these. And when they showed up in pop-up, I could not get them in my cart and get the purchase done quickly enough. I was like, if I lose those, I'll be so disappointed. Next, and this is gonna go back here. I know, I say that a lot, but I bought this intentionally to go here. I'm gonna put this there and then a cute fall candle or something, but it's just a hashtag. How cute. You know those days when you're on buying things and you think, yeah, I need that. I think this might have been one of those days, but I thought he'd be really cute back here. Oh, good, it stands. I was afraid for a second it wouldn't stand. I mean, I know I have junk behind it. I'm going to move the junk behind it. It's going to be an instead of an addition to, but I just thought it would be really cute. Let me know below what you guys think. Also, it has teeth. So if you wanted to, you could hang it. So it could be even, I'm just saying. I thought it was super cute. And again, I think it was a really good deal. I'll put the price here to get a decoration for back there. Next, and I think everybody else in the whole world got this like 2 months ago in their box, except me. And if you watch the channel, you know I have a slight addiction for this, and you also know it's the last thing I need, but you also know I couldn't not get it. It is the Cuccio cuticle oil, and that's what it looks like. This came in almost everybody's box a couple of months ago, except mine. And I opened my box and I thought, I got a great variation. I don't even remember what was in the box because I remember afterward thinking, oh, I didn't get the cuticle oil, but I had a great box. But when it popped up in the sale, I couldn't not get it. And it sits on a little bit of a slant. So it sets like that. And look how big it is. It is just huge. That is so big. It is the Cuccio Natural Luxury Spa Revitalizing Oil, Milk and Honey. Normally, you guys know I get the little NCLA oils and they're very nice. The scents of them are amazing. But I was like, I will own this forever. Oh, and it has a nice dropper. The dropper on it, can you see how full up that is? It is, ooh, it is so nice. Let's see how it smells. I'm gonna put a little bit on my hands. Oh, I was afraid it was gonna tip over because it's on that slant. That's hilarious. I'm gonna put just a skosh on the back of my nails because when do you not need cuticle oil? Oh, it smells good. It does, it smells like milk and honey. I'm just going to rub that in. My cuticles can always use cuticle oil, which is why I have so much. I try and use it at least twice a day. After I do my full morning routine, you know, when I get up and showered and lotioned and my hair and makeup done, the last step is to add some cuticle oil and let it soak in. And then at nighttime, same story. It's the last thing I do at night so that it can soak in. I like this. It smells really fresh. This would really be great for at night. So many of the other ones that I have such strong scents. This is really, I mean, it's milk and honey, so it's a nice light scent. But I don't know if you guys can tell, it's nice. It really moisturized my cuticles. That's so nice. See, I knew I needed that. And last but not least, and I have never in a video wished any more than I do right now that I didn't have lips on, but this is not gonna go with my face. I just did this face in an Ulta haul, but I'm not sure in which order I'm showing these videos. This is the Marc Jacobs Enamored Dazzling Gloss Lacquer, and I got it in Tempt Me. Let's get it out of here and see what it looks like in person. You know, when you pick out a lippy you've never seen in person, it's just a kiss and a prayer. Oh, it's purple. I knew that. I kind of knew that. I felt like it had a purplish feel, which I know for a lot of people sounds absolutely ridiculous, but it's really usually a pretty good color on me. This is what it looks like. I hope that, oh yeah, see how gorgeous that is? You know what this is gonna be perfect with? No, you don't, I'll tell you. Just yesterday, I got on and did the ColourPop. They had their Hocus Pocus sale. I tried to get so much more, but by the time I got through, because you know, they put you in a line, and I was on 3 minutes early, by the way. Not bitter, moving on. I got the palette, which is the main thing I wanted. There's an eyeshadow palette and it's Hocus Pocus, and I love Hocus Pocus. And I got the purple eyeliner, is the only eyeliner. There were 3 by the time I got there to check out. The purple one, which was in my cart, was all that was left. And I think it's gonna look exactly like this. We're gonna go ahead and swatch this on the back of my hand. Oh, it's an interesting doe foot. It's really wide and flat. Man, I want to take my lip stuff off. Okay, we'll put it on the back of my hand. Oh, it's gorgeous. It is purple. It is full on commitment to purple. You guys will be seeing this in videos. Even if you don't like it, just tell me that you do because I'm gonna love it. That is so pretty and it feels so creamy and nice. It's got flecks of, I would say, gold in it. Boy, I hope that is coming across. It is gorgeous. It is just gorgeous. Wow. I wish now that I had gotten more of these. I was unfamiliar with the formula because I didn't get one in my box. Some people got them in their box. But because I was unfamiliar with the formula, I only picked up one, but I suspect if they have it again, I will be picking up more. That is so pretty. And I'll match my room. Okay guys, so that's what I did. I will try and put below whether it was a pop-up or an add-on, but my gut is telling me it was a pop-up sale. And I got the package of 5 Daily Concepts scrubbers, the 2 Rose Quartz Rosebuds is technically what they're called, the hashtag for decorative purposes, the Cuccio Milk and Honey Cuticle Oil, which I love cuticle oils. If you have a cuticle oil addiction also, let me know below. That way I won't feel alone. And the Marc Jacobs Dazzling Gloss Lip Lacquer in Tempt Me. And it is so pretty. I'm happy. This was a cute little sale. Let me know below what you think, what you picked up, what your favorite product is. Thank you so much for coming by, guys. I really appreciate you being here, taking the time to come over. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I will see you really soon. Take care, guys.